students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying very good health. So students, now it's your class time and then you have to study. So as we were studying this chapter, unit number 2 from your book, and we have studied page number 12, page number 13, and for today we will start from page number 14, sleep and rest. So students, now start reading. Students, your chapter is about health and safety, and to take proper sleep is very important for a very good health. You have to sleep well, you have to rise at the time to keep yourself healthy. There is a quote about that: early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So for that purpose that is necessary. So here we go for reading. Your body and your brain needs to rest. When we sleep well, we feel refreshed. This word is R-E-Re, F-R-E, free, S-H-E-D, shed, refreshed. Okay, more closer to you. An 8-year-old usually needs about 10 hours of sleep every night. What the writer is saying, he is saying that as you do different jobs in the day, you do different work, so what happened, you may tired, you are thinking, your brain is tired, so you have to rest. And when you rest, you feel happy, fresh and very comfortable. A student or a person who is, or a baby who is an age of 8 years, he should sleep for 10 hours. Okay, if you do not get enough sleep, your body and your brain can be affected. You may feel grumpy, unable to concentrate and not have much energy. What he is saying, if you do not take proper sleep, for example, as he said, a person of 8-year-old should have sleep of 10 hours, and if that baby does not sleep for 10 hours, he will be sleepy all the time. He will not happy, he will not concentrate. Concentrate means, what do you understand by this term concentrate? To focus, to keep your attention towards something, it's actually concentrate. So that person who is sleepy, who cannot fulfill his sleep, will unable to focus something. Grumpy means he is sleepy and he will not have enough energy to do something. So what we get from this paragraph, your body and your brain, these two things are working together. Okay, and for the time as they need rest, and you must sleep for proper time. Okay, now toward the next topic, staying safe. What do you mean by staying safe? Means you have to take care of yourself. You do not be much clever, mischievous. Okay, so let's start reading. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it can be dangerous too. Students, इस लाइन को अंडरस्टैंड करें. The world around us is a pleasant place, कि हमारे इर्द गिर्द जो दुनिया है वो बहुत खुशगवार है, लेकिन हमारे लिए नुकसानदेह भी हो सकती है. इसकी मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि जैसे फायर क्रैकर्स होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, लेकिन अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएं तो इट्स फायर, इट कैन कॉज फायर, सो इट्स डेंजरस टू. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything and think before we act. What he is saying that when you are going to start something, you must think, is it good or not? We should do it or not? And then we should do it with proper attention. Okay, for example, firecrackers are beautiful to look out, but they can cause many injuries. They can cause burning. This word is INJURIES, injuries. Okay, तो क्या कह रहा है कि आपने खुद को केयरफुली जो है अपना ख्याल रखना है. फायर क्रैकर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, लेकिन अगर वो बहुत सारे हों और वो जो हैं कॉज कर सकते हैं, बर्निंग कॉज कर सकते हैं, यानी आपको जला सकते हैं. यू स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ योर टाइम एट होम, इन स्कूल, ऑन योर स्ट्रीट और एट द प्ले ग्राउंड. तो आपको क्या चाहिए कि आप अपना जो टाइम है वो इन जगहों पर गुजारते हैं. तो इन जगहों पर भी जब आपने अपना टाइम गुजारना है तो उन में भी आपने ख़ुद को अवॉइड करना है कि कोई ऐसी काम आप ना करें जो कि आपके लिए बाद में डैमेज कॉज कर सके, नुकसानदेह हो सके. ओके, लेकिन कुछ जगह ऐसी भी होती हैं जहाँ पर कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आप किसी ऐसी जगह पर चले जाएं जहाँ पर फ्लेम्स हैं, आग लगी हुई है, तो वो जगह तो बहुत डेंजरस है, आप वहाँ तो नहीं जाएंगे ना. तो जहाँ भी जाते हैं ख़ुद को सेफ़ एंड साउंड रखते हैं. ओके, हमने ये 2 टॉपिक्स पढ़े हैं अभी तक, स्लीप एंड रेस्ट, स्टेइंग सेफ. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to read these topics, okay, and make difficult words to understand to yourself. Okay, and this is your homework for today, that you just have to read it. Okay, so it's very short, we didn't have studied much. You have to read it and just make your concepts clear. Okay, so take care of yourself, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.